Hey, I'm Carbon, and I'm going to teach you about the carbon cycle. Come this way. Up here is a car. Cars are man-made, obviously, and they spew CO2 while burning fossil fuels, and they spew CO2, which is a form of carbon, into the atmosphere. This is a human, and it uh, inhales oxygen and exhales CO2. This is decaying organic matter, which, as decomposing, it excretes CO2 into the atmosphere and the soil. And that CO2, or carbon, can be later compressed in this stone down here. And it can be compressed in stone into a carbonate stone, like coal or diamond. And here's some fossils in the process of this. Here's a tree, which is a primary producer. It absorbs oxygen and it absorbs CO2 and creates oxygen. Here it is absorbing some CO2. This is oil, which is another form of fossil fuels, as is coal. Both are decaying organic matter in different types of fossil fuel. I guess old, ancient decaying matter. This is liquefied. That's rock. Over here is an animal. Cows just happened. Anyway, it's an animal, and it obviously spews CO2 as it exhales, just like a human. Here's a rock which is near, it is holding carbon inside of it, and it's near the ocean. And as it erodes, it deposition happens, and it turns into limestone. There it is eroding, and here's a limestone deposit, which is another form of carbonate rock. And when fossil fuels are burned, they create CO2, which goes into the atmosphere. Here is a example of a fossil fuel being burned. As you see, as the fossil fuel is burned, it releases carbon into the atmosphere, which is very energetic and creates heat. Thank you, and that's the carbon cycle.